Hello, my name is Stephen Trombley, and I am the band director here at Grafton High School. And I am very fortunate to get to work with your students every day in concert band. Um, Even though this year we've got some restrictions that make it difficult to actually play music together, that just means that you should hopefully be able to hear your student at home making more music than perhaps they have in the past, because each week they have an expectation when they're working remotely to be recording and practicing elements to increase their musicianship. Because our hope is one day, before not too long, we'll be back to making music in school, and we want to maintain those abilities on our instruments while we're at home. While we're in school, we're using things like Soundtrap and Note Flight, and which are programs that allow us to compose music, to create music, and to share our musical ideas with each other throughout the week. And it's been really fun to see the creativity and imagination of the students each day in class. So while we do have hurdles to get across, we're also finding new and interesting ways to explore music and explore our creativity and to continue to make authentic products with that knowledge. So if you ever have any questions for me about band and what happens in band, you can certainly reach out. My email is in the description of this video, and I can be reached at trombleys@grafton.k12.ma.us. Take care.